Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Enable Apple Intelligence in Settings and sign into your primary Apple ID with two-factor authentication active. Once done, allow microphone, camera, and file access so features can analyze content locally or in iCloud. This is essential. Make sure Device Sync is on to share context across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Now open the Apple Intelligence interface and choose a task. You're ready to feed it the first prompt or document to analyze. Now you configure detailed settings and train the model on your workflow. Tweak personalization sliders so the system learns from emails, calendar events, and documents. This balances convenience versus privacy. Next, designate which folders and apps are allowed to contribute context. Once set, upload a few representative files or tag contacts for relevance. Create a short prompt library with 3 example tasks, draft an email, summarize a doc, and generate action items. Then run each to refine tone, length, and specificity until outputs match your needs. You complete the setup by validating results and addressing issues. Review generated outputs carefully for accuracy and tweak prompts to get consistent behavior, shorter prompts for precision, longer for creativity. If sensitive or irrelevant data appears, immediately narrow or revoke app access and reconfigure personalization choices. Finally, if responses are slow, inconsistent, or fail, restart the device and toggle Apple Intelligence off and on. This resets caches and permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: check network and iCloud sync status before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.